Welcome back to the DealFlow Discovery Conference 2026. Joining us again is Darren Wang, founder and CEO of OBOOK Holdings, trading on the NASDAQ under the symbol OWLS. Darren, welcome back to the show.
Thank you.
According to McKinsey, you're taking on a global payments market that's worth over $2.5 trillion. How is your stablecoin payment infrastructure solving problems related to speed and cost that are plaguing the traditional, Swift banks that we have today?
Sure. Yeah. Thank you. So to answer the question, the problem actually want to solve is to solve the cross-border payment problem. For example, right now, if you send in money with the banking system, and for each of the international payment, you still need to pay, $30 or more in some countries. So actually, I don't really think the fintech has, really happened in the past, couple of decades. Yeah. So the reason for blockchain and stablecoin is there's a new way for money to really flow between different countries with the transparent blockchain. So that's why we have go forward with the R&D for the stablecoin global settlement. So that's one of the reasons that we believe the stablecoin can ease the financial problem, particularly using for the money flow globally. Yeah.
And you've recently announced a partnership with Visa Direct and also with Circle Payment Network. How do these high-tech partnerships help make digital assets more accessible?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so there's a very simple concept for stablecoin is everyone knows about stablecoin, right? But
Right.
nobody knows about how to get a stablecoin. Yeah, so the partnership we are working with Visa is the first one is Visa Direct. They are a global card network, so they can either send you the money to different countries' bank accounts through their network,
Right.
or Visa. Everyone knows Visa is go full with the stablecoin. Right. Yeah, so I think particular for the current world, almost everyone they have a bank account. They have a Visa card. So we want to leverage the advantage and then the global coverage for Visa to enable everyone to have the stable coin. So that's really crucial for everyone. The first is to get a stable coin. And then the second, you use the stable coin for cross-border payment or in-store purchasing with the stable coin Visa card, for example.
Right.
Yeah, so I think that's one of the reasons. And for Circle Payment Network, it's actually a new settlement network built on blockchain. So they use USDC, the stablecoin, as the gas fee. So you don't really need to purchase different crypto as the gas fee compared to the past. So I think that's really fantastic. And using Circle Payment Network, you can actually really settle the money. For example, you want to move the money from US to Japan, for example.
Yeah.
And then the money can be settled with Japanese yen from USDC.
Right.
So that's actually the very large network, and we are building with Visa, Circle, and others. Yeah.
And speaking of that network, over 41 money transmitter licenses here in the States. You have the ability to settle over 30 local currencies. How significant is that regulatory barrier against competitors, others in this space?
Yeah, so we started to build a stablecoin infra starting about 5 years ago. Yeah,
Right.
so we understand in the first day that regulation license is actually the most important pieces to build a business. So we have worked a long way to get all those 41 money transmitter license just in the state. But having those money transmitter license in the state is not enough because when you are moving the money in and out United States or other countries, you actually need other countries, license to actually transfer the fiat money to the stable coin.
Yes.
Yeah, so we have spent not just the investment in the license in the state, also Japan, Europe, and other Asian country and Latin American. Yeah, so it's actually a very long term, and then you have the vision that you want to build something great, but
you need to lose a lot of money
Right.
as a startup company and build a
Sure.
regulated framework for everyone. And one big goal for our company, particularly the licensing part, is we want to be like an app store. So we open up our license and technical infrastructure for every company that want to use stablecoin for their consumers. Yeah, so that's really the big vision we are building for. It's pretty much like the app store for stablecoin. So everyone they don't need to spend 4 years to apply for those different licenses in different regions. So we will provide them the licensing and technology and then the liquidity from different banking or giant. Yeah.
And another big news release that we saw, investors, your Art of Global partnership
Yeah.
offering digital on ramp, off ramps. What does this partnership mean for OBOOK Holdings?
Yeah. So in terms of Asia, the regulation speed is usually slower comparing to the state. Yeah, so I think the most important thing we build with ARTA is we are working with a regulated partner in Asia. So from Hong Kong, they provide different capabilities to on-ramp and offering in pretty much every Asia country. Yeah, for us. Yeah, so in this way, we can quickly actually expand the corridors we cover. So we have US already, Europe already, and then right now pretty much every country in Asia, including the upcoming Japanese market. So we are all very excited to become fully covered in different corridors globally. So it's
Right.
actually a very large clearance and settlement network built on stablecoin. Yeah.
In summary, why should institutional investors take a serious look at OBOOK Holdings' growth story today?
Yeah. So I think we had actually spent a long time to build this regulated business. So I think the investor we are looking for and hope is to get the long-term investor so they can grow with the company. Because I think last year was the year zero for stablecoin. This year is year one. So there will be a mass adoption for consumer usage and enterprise both. Yeah. So I think with the industry growing more mature and larger globally, and the transaction value will be growing as the industry grow. So I think the revenue profitability for the company will also gains in time, right?
Right.
So we hope that long-term investor they trust the company's vision, regulated license, etc., to grow the future with the company.
So, for more information, investors out there, what website should they go to find more?
Yeah, so please go to www.owlsting.com.
And we also have an exclusive research profile out there for OBOOK Holdings. Darren Wang, founder and CEO, trading on the NASDAQ under the symbol OWLS. Thank you so much for joining the show.
Thank you. Thank you very much.